Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. So you guys, I've got my editing station here and I want to get into some more color grading tutorials and stuff like that. So I've made a small investment into a tool. Not an investment, I've spent some money on a tool and I want to go over the unboxing of that now. So let's check this bad boy out, see what we think. So testing 1, 2, 3, I am gonna unbox this Davinci Resolve Micro color panel, which is incredibly exciting. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, here we go. So here is the big reveal. All right. Davinci Resolve Micro Color Panel Quick Start Guide. Very handy. The actual panel itself. Take a look at that. Okay, so, oh, that's pretty sweet. Lift, oh, your wide gamma gain, contrast, and pivot. Highlights, shadows, color boost. So contrast and pivot, you're gonna work here. Highlights and shadows, you might work. Lift gamma gain. You can kind of do. Oh, cursor. Add window, add node, add key. Oh man, this is gonna be so mint. And the cool thing about this is that it operates USB-C or Bluetooth. This is a chunky, thick boy cable we've got going on here. And I would say very small. Okay, well, let's try it out. Okay, so let's fire up the PC and see how long it actually takes to get this thing hooked up and loaded for the first time. So let's go into Capital Video Pro and let's just go ahead and take a test. Okay, so here is a frame. And let's go ahead and go into Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve, Preferences. And then on the left-hand side here under the System option, we're going to scroll all the way down to Control Panels. And then select this panel for grading, Davinci Resolve Micro Color Panel. And that is it. Save. Changes will take effect next time after Resolve is started. Okay. And on the back here, the USB-C port had a little red light on when I first got the product, which I don't see it's on now. And I'm not paired to my computer either, so jumping back into Resolve here. And I didn't read the instructions for this, of course, so we'll see how this goes and how quickly I can get this thing hooked up and ready to rock. Okay, going back into my video project here. And yeah, let's see, we're on my exposure node. Okay. And so how about Bluetooth and other devices? Add a Bluetooth. Oh, it's already there. Micro color panel here. Allow. Connection failed. There we go. Okay, so it looks like I'm in pairing mode. Micro color panel connecting. Your device is ready to go. Okay. All right, now we can see our device is all lit up, which is cool. And exposure node here on my project. Let's start with this guy. So I am going to copy a grade over here. Let's just reset everything except for my color space transforms. And this is a film look creator. Okay, so here are some nodes that I've got clean to work with. And this is kind of my jam right now. Oh, okay, so how about, can I do a delete node? Oh, so satisfying. Oops. All right, so exposure node 1. Let's bring down that offset. Or bring it in. Oh, so I could take my lift down. Lift down, gamma up. Okay. Let's see. Highlights down. Oh yeah, that's really, really sensitive. Or, I mean, it's not too sensitive, which is nice. And then maybe we can bring the shadows down. And let's see if there's a whole reset. Okay, so you can reset the whole node. You can reset your lift gamma gain separately. That is pretty dang nice. Next node, previous node. Okay, so let's say in this one, I just want to bring my gamma down, which I didn't actually like that much. Kind of like bringing my, yeah, let's bring our lift down to about there. And let's see, disable. Oh yeah, this is money, keeper. And reset that. But maybe we want to go to our next node here, and let's change some color around. Oh yeah. Reset. So maybe I want to make, yeah, these are some nice fine adjustments. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that.